Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is for my good friend JC and the gang over at Connection Printing Consultants in Bend, Oregon. This is a piece they produced for client Kilns College. This was designed by the Kilns College in-house design team along with Connection. So I think you're going to love this for several reasons. They gave me pricing information, which is always helpful, and I love that they created a specialty format within a size and proportion that will mail into a standard envelope. So this is 5x7. It'll go into an A7 envelope, so you get that really nice splurge save scenario. Splurge on the format, save on the postage. So this piece opens up, and this is a rolling reveal folder. So it's a roll fold. However, when you roll it out, there are these reveal panels. This is a cousin to an iron cross format. And you can kind of see that some of those characteristics that are similar, but this folds down. I also like the choice to fold down, so you can also on a reveal folder fold up as well. There are lots of different configurations for these. If you want to see a tri-fold version of a reveal folder that folds up, check out episode 432. But I love how this has the different, this is a recruitment piece for Kilns College, and different programs along the top as headers, and then you pull down to see testimonials and information about the program. So I love how this works. I love how practical it is, and yet the format it really works well with it. Rolls in like this. So these were die, score, hand fold. This is a 65-pound cover stock, and they did about 3,000 of these at the cost of around $1 a piece. So I love that they gave that information as well. So really nice design, great format, great for mail. I hope you liked it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Rolling reveal folder. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, style lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.